Today we are in Akihabara, the capital of anime in the whole world. And as you can see, we're surrounded by very interesting figures behind us. But that's not why we're here today. We're here today because Akihabara is also the electric town of Japan. That's where you can find like computers and all like hardware stuff. So we want to find a floppy disk today. So most of you guys, I don't know, if you guys are like under 25 or under 30, probably you don't know what a floppy disk is, but basically it's just like a very old type of USB stick, kinda. So are we gonna be able to find it here today in Akihabara? Let's find out. Okay, so that shop over there, it looks very old, and it's actually the first shop we're gonna try and see if they have a floppy disk at. So let's see if we are that lucky and they actually have floppy disks in there. We're still searching. We couldn't find it there. Actually, the shop was a bit small, so it's not gonna be here. That's something else. That's an arcade place, okay? But we're not gonna go there today. I'm sorry. So let's go and find a floppy disk. Onoden. That's one of the OG shops in Akihabara. So let's try and see if they have floppy disks in here. And also, look at the mascot here. Japan has a lot of mascots for everything. That's super cool. What the hell is this? Assassin robots. They must be assassin robots. I think we got lost. That building right there is where we're going next. It's a huge building, so hopefully we're gonna find a floppy disk there. Our search for the floppy disk for now has been a flop so far, but we're actually cheating, okay? We just Googled it. We're gonna go find and check if the next store actually has floppy disk, because it gets dark so fast in Japan and we're running out of time. So let's go and find this floppy disk. For fuck's sake, come on. So we are here in a small secondary alley, and that's where we're gonna find the floppy disk, I'm pretty sure. Well, let's go. What's this place? Man, I get distracted all the time here. I can't. My God, man. Okay, but let's focus on our goal. The floppy disk. Floppy disk. Floppy disk.
lot of luck today, but we were able to find, what is even this? Like, I don't know. And this is supposed to be a mini disc. I've never seen this before. I'm surprised that a floppy disk would be harder to find than a mini disk, but we couldn't find a floppy disk. So that means our search today was a flop. Maybe we'll return here next year.